students, now we are going to describe a highly complicated group of living organisms, that is phylum Chordata. Why it is highly complicated living organisms? As you all know, according to 5 kingdom classification, the Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia, the kingdom Animalia is more complicated, and among the 11 phylum of kingdom Animalia, the last kingdom, that is phylum Chordata, the phylum number 11, is highly complicated and developed on earth later after the evolution of the previous 10 phylum of animal kingdom and all 4 kingdom of Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae. So we are also placed in the phylum Chordata, and the locally available dog, cat, rat, so many fishes, frogs, etc. are also placed in the phylum Chordata. Actually, it is highly complicated and complex group of animal kingdom. So it take too longer time to study, because in the previous phylum there was only a simple system of digestion, respiration, nutrition and every kinds of physiology. But in this group, that is phylum Chordata, their body design and everything is so mysterious and complicated. So one by one I will describe you in the phylum Chordata and the different groups regarding the phylum Chordata. That is, there are so many classes, orders and subphylums are also held. Later one by one I will describe it. So without delay timing, let I describe the phylum Chordata. Actually, phylum Chordata was first discovered by the Ernst Haeckel. Ernst Haeckel in 1874. You are well familiar with the word Ernst Haeckel. Remind you and remember, think about the Ernst Haeckel. In which lesson, in which chapter you have studied well about the Ernst Haeckel? Leave them. Let I remember you. Ernst Haeckel, well popular to give the 3 kingdom classification, but that was the year of 1866, and later after few years, after the 8 years, he discovered the new phylum, that is phylum Chordata, and that was actually the phylum of animal kingdom. Keep in mind. So Ernst Haeckel, you should remember the name of Ernst Haeckel regarding the 3 kingdom classification as well as the phylum Chordata. Now back to the check the more detail about phylum Chordata. Actually, there are about total 65,000 known species on earth available. About 65,000 of known species. So we can't say there is a no comparison of Chordata and previous arthropoda and mollusca. But the Chordata are highly complicated, not having a more organisms because of having no any survival organs or no any protective organs found that can prevent them for the regular evolution. Now back to the next other features. Actually, the word meaning Chordata, the before Chordata, the all 10 phylum was actually called non-Chordata. So you are well familiar with the word Chordata just in this chapter, but if you have any doubt regarding the word non-Chordata, what is the non-Chordata, then the phylum Porifera to Echinodermata, all groups to Hemichordata. Actually, the chordate characters are different than the previous all 10 phylums. The phylum Porifera, phylum Coelenterata, SK helminthes, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, so many mollusca, arthropoda, Echinodermata, Hemichordata are actually do not possess the very specific characters that are actually available in phylum Chordata. In previous all 10 phylums you have seen, they all possess the unique characters, at least 1 or 2, and there has some common characters as like the all animals. Same things, phylum Chordata possess some unique character that are not found in previous 10, and that may complicated to the chordates characters. So let's check which is the chordates character. Actually, if you clearly visits in your local surrounding, that is the, if you clearly see the dog, cat, rat, etc., like you, human being, the buffalo, cow, fishes, frogs, etc., then you will find there is a backbone. there is a backbone. What are the common things among the highly developed chordate? That is backbone, and that backbone actually in biological word called as vertebral column. And earlier vertebral column, when remain in embryonic stage, it is actual in the original form, it is actually developed from the very special rod like structure, that actually not a vertebral column. Actually vertebral column in early embryonic stage remain in the worm. Then vertebral column was actually the notochord. Notochord later either develop into vertebral column, that is backbone, or remain as notochord throughout the lifespan of the living being. Listen carefully. When the baby remain in womb, when the baby remain in uterus in form of embryo, then the notochord of chordate characters are the common features. Means when the chordates remain in womb and uterus, then there is a common character, that is the rod like structure, notochord. Later I will describe you the word meaning about notochord. The notochord having three words: noton, cord, and eta. Noton means the rod. Listen, noton means not rod. Noton means the back side. Corda means the rod, and eta means the special characters that are available in the special morphological changes, that is the tubular. We can see the tubular. It means the notochord. Overall meaning of notochord: the posterior part of notochord consists rod like structure. Posterior for the back side. It bears the notochord. Actual meaning of notochord: the possess of rod like structure at the back side. The rod like structure earlier remain in the worm, and as per the lower and higher chordate, it may be either present throughout the lifespan as the rod like notochord or convert itself into the vertebral column. Listen, नोटोकॉर्ड रॉड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, ठीक है. समझो, अब इसको शुद्ध हिंदी में समझा रहे हैं, इसको समझो. इसको नोटोकॉर्ड एक रॉड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, ठीक है. ये नोटोकॉर्ड एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज में जब बच्चे पैदा नहीं होते उस समय वो अवेलेबल रहता है बॉडी में, लेकिन अब वो डिपेंड करता है कि कॉर्डेट हाईली डेवलप है या वो लो क्लास का कॉर्डेट है. लो ग्रुप ऑफ कॉर्डेट अभी समझाएंगे प्रोटोकॉर्डेट, और हाईली ग्रुप ऑफ कॉर्डेट उसको बोलते हैं वर्टिब्रेटा, ठीक है. तो वो कॉर्डेट में जो नोटोकॉर्ड स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है, रॉड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, वो या तो लाइफ टाइम ऐसे पड़ा रहता है नोटोकॉर्ड, यानी कि उसके बॉडी में पैदा होने के बाद भी ऐसे ही रॉड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर रहता है, देयर विल बी नो चेंज. और ये नोटोकॉर्ड छोटे छोटे रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर वर्टिब्री में यानी वर्टिब्रल कॉलम में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. ये रिंग लाइक है, रिंग मतलब अंगूठी लाइक है, ठीक है. बीच बीच में होल होता है, इसके बीच से हमारा क्या होता है, सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम यानी कि जो नर्व कॉर्ड है इसके रास्ते से फ्लो होके जाता है. तो इसमें आपको फोकस करना है कि ये अर्ली स्टेज में जुड़ा हुआ रहता है, एकदम ऐसे जुड़ा हुआ रहता है, जिसको बोलते हैं क्या, नोटोकॉर्ड. देन if the living being, if the chordates are highly developed, then the notochord convert into vertebral column. If the notochord is actual, if the chordate are lower group of chordates, that is they are actually protochordate, then the notochord remain as rod like structure in the lifespan of the living being, then they are actually called as protochordata. And notochord if convert into vertebral column, then they are said to be vertebrata. And in the group of vertebrata we also belong, you are also belong, cow, buffalo and anyone also belong. So the key features of chordata is the presence of notochord. It is the unique feature of phylum chordata. Now back to see the other features that are unique only in phylum chordata. Features of chordata. First features is over, that is presence of notochord. Presence of notochord in the any life span, either in embryonic stage or after birth. No mean to say whatever the notochord convert into vertebral column or not, but there is a need of at least single rod like structure. Now the second feature is in non-chordate, as I have told you, the phylum Porifera to Echinodermata called non-chordate. In non-chordate the notochord is absent. Now the second, it is dorsally located. I have told you it is back side. Noton means back side. Chorda means the rod-like structure, and eta means to bear. Now back to the next, the dorsal nerve cord. Dorsal nerve cord. One more things I would like to introduce you. When you write the nerve cord, then there is no ch word, only c is enough. When you write the notochord, then there is a ch related. देखो दोनों में प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या एक जैसा है, नर्व कॉर्ड, नोटोकॉर्ड. अब यहाँ पे कॉर्ड में CHORD लगाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. और यहाँ पे क्या नर्व कॉर्ड है, यहाँ पे CORD, क्योंकि ये CHORD का रिलेशन किससे हो जाएगा, सीधे रॉड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर यानी कि मेन मीनिंग ऑफ कॉर्डेटा से. और ये नर्व कॉर्ड जो है बाद में हमारा सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम का एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट बनाता है, ठीक है. सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम पढ़े होगे तुम लोग, ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. तो उस स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में हम क्या लगाते हैं, CORD लगाते हैं. तो ये स्पाइनल कॉर्ड बनाता है, ठीक है. चलो आगे आते हैं. नेक्स्ट, ये the dorsal nerve cord, it is absent in the non-chordate. Next one, third one is the nerve cord. nerve cord. अब इसमें भी क्या नहीं लगाना है, इसमें भी तुम्हारा सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम लगाना है, नर्व कॉर्ड नहीं लगाना. नर्व कॉर्ड तो हो गया ऊपर. सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, CNS, जो ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड मिलके बनाते हैं. सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम एक्चुअली in phylum chordata it is single in number. You are well familiar with the word. Central nervous system consists the brain and spinal cord. So spinal cord is single and brain is also single. So central nervous system in phylum chordata is single and it is hollow. It is hollow. ब्रेन के अंदर एक कैविटी होती है, आप जानते होंगे ब्रेन कैविटी, ठीक है. तो ये हॉलो होता है, ठीक है, इसके अंदर गड्ढे होते हैं. बट नॉन कॉर्डेट्स में ये जो सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम होता है अगर प्रेजेंट है तो वो सॉलिड होगा, यानी कि भरा हुआ होगा. और दूसरे फीचर्स क्या होंगे, ये डबल इन नंबर होते हैं, ठीक है, सिंगल होता ही नहीं है. और ये वेंट्रली लोकेटेड होता है. और ह्यूमन बीइंग और बाकी के कॉर्डेट्स में ये कहाँ होता है, डॉर्सली लोकेटेड. इस चीज को आप याद रखना है. डॉर्सल और वेंट्रल सरफेस को एक बार मैं समझा देना. जैसे ये कुत्ता भाग रहा है, ठीक है, तो इसका ऊपर का हिस्सा क्या हो जाता है, डॉर्सल, और इसके नीचे का हिस्सा क्या हो जाता है, वेंट्रल. तो कुत्ते का जो ब्रेन होगा और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड होगा ऊपर होगा. हम लोग ऐसे चलते हैं तो हम लोगों का ये हिस्सा, जैसे मान लो कि बंदर ऐसे चलता है, बंदर इंसान बन गया, तो उसका जो पीछे ऊपर का हिस्सा था वो पीछे चला गया. यानी कि हमारा जो नर्वस सिस्टम है, जो मेन पार्ट है सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम का, वो कहाँ चला गया, पीछे चला गया. और यहाँ ये वाला पार्ट हमारा ब्रेन है. तो हम लोग के वेंट्रल साइड मतलब पीछे का साइड बोला जाएगा. और जो चार पैर से चलते हैं या तैर के चलते हैं या फ्रॉग वगैरह हैं, तो उसके ऊपर के साइड को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, डॉर्सल साइड. हम लोग के पीछे के साइड का क्या है, वो डॉर्सल साइड है, ठीक है. तो ये हम लोगों में डॉर्सली लोकेटेड है. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, हम लोगों में जो डॉर्सल सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम होता है वो कहाँ होता है, डॉर्सली लोकेटेड. एंड इन अदर नॉन कॉर्डेट्स, if central nervous system like brain and spinal cord is present, there is no chance of present, but if present then it is double in number, solid and ventrally located. And in central nervous system of highly developed chordate, it is single, hollow and dorsally located. ये आपको दिमाग में बैठा के चलना है. फोर्थ वन, लिसन, pharyngeal gill slits. pharyngeal गिल स्लिट्स. गिल स्लिट्स, स्लिट्स मीन्स होती है ओपनिंग. अब मैंने बताया कि फिशेज में आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे एक खुलता बंद होता है, यहाँ पे गाल आंख के जस्ट बगल में ये होता है गिल्स, ठीक है. ये एक इधर होता है एक उधर होता है. मीन्स चाहे एक हो, ठीक है, एक हो तो उधर देखना पड़ेगा एक होगा, यानी हमेशा ये इवन नंबर में होता है, ठीक है. और इससे पहले जितने भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म यानी नॉन कॉर्डेट्स पड़े हो, उसमें अगर गिल्स प्रेजेंट होता है तो हमेशा ऑड नंबर में होता है, यानी कि हमेशा पेयर्स में होते हैं. गिल्स इन नॉन कॉर्डेट्स इफ प्रेजेंट देन ऑलवेज इन ऑड नंबर. गिल्स देयर इज ए फीचर्स ऑलवेज बी प्रेजेंट एंड ऑलवेज विल बी आइदर 2 नंबर और 4 नंबर और 8 नंबर और 6 नंबर. दैट इज ऑलवेज इन फॉर्म ऑफ इवन नंबर, दैट इज इन वन साइड. And it is region of pharynx, so their name is pharyngeal gill slits. So you should remember the pharyngeal gill slits. The next fifth number of characteristics is post-anal tail. Post-anal tail. Post-anal tail, that is the confusing word. Simply the tail. Tail is the characteristic features of phylum Chordata. Every organisms like me, you, अब इंसान में पूछ कहाँ है? During the embryonic stage, the embryo of human being consists the tail-like structure. That is the vestigial organs, and that gives an evidence that we are developed from those organisms that probably have at the tail. So post-anal tail is the features of only chordata. It is absent in non-chordates. These 5 features should have you learned by you. Now the next 6 features. The ventral heart. Heart means the closed blood vascular system is common in chordate, so heart should be available, and it is located at the ventral side. Suppose that this is our body and this is the ventral side, so heart will be at the ventral side. And where is the heart located in the previous, that is in the non-chordates, in the dorsal side. Keep in mind. So these are the 6 common characteristic features, and you should write in your own language the notochord, dorsal nerve cord, central nervous system, pharyngeal gill slits, post-anal tails, and ventral heart. In next video lectures, I will describe you the basic diagram for the common chordates.